a cover letter. Let's see what the rubric asks for. You need to write a cover letter for a charity advertising a summer job post for administrative work. In your cover letter, you need to write about why you are interested, any experience you have had, any relevant hard and soft skills you have, and explain why you would be suitable for the position. You need to write 150 to 200 words.
Dear Sir, Madam, my name is Anna Stanton, and I aspire to a career in the charity sector. My enthusiasm for the work your organisation does makes me an ideal candidate for the summer administrative position advertised on your website. I would welcome the opportunity to work for your organisation, and I believe it would be an enriching experience. I am proficient in the use of computers with an A-level in ICT. I have just spent my gap year volunteering as an administrator for a London-based charity that fights global poverty, where I learnt admin skills that would be very relevant to this post. I am also a team player with great communication skills. I have learnt that I find charity work incredibly rewarding, and I believe that I would be a valuable asset to your organisation. I am familiar with the tasks this role requires, and I am enthusiastic about playing my part in the great work your organisation does. Further information can be found on the attached CV. I am available for interview any day of the week. Thank you for considering my application, and I look forward to hearing from you. Yours faithfully, Anna Stanton.
A cover letter is usually a formal piece of writing, written to people in an organisation responsible for recruiting people. It typically accompanies your CV. Let's see how we write a cover letter. We start our cover letter with Dear Sir, Madam. In the first paragraph, we introduce ourselves, explain why we are writing the letter, and why we feel the post appeals to us. In the second paragraph, we write any relevant qualifications and skills and mention any previous experience. In the third paragraph, we write why we feel we should be offered the position. In the last paragraph, we refer them to our CV for more information, state when we are available for an interview, and write our closing remarks. We sign off using Yours faithfully and our full name. Note that if we know the name of the person we are sending our cover letter to, we start with Dear plus person's surname. And we sign off using Yours sincerely and our full name. Now you are ready to write a cover letter.